Baby, you give me ice and
Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share two different cute ideas for anniversary or birthday, and I'm sure you are going to love them.
midnight.
In the first DIY, I'm taking this shadow frame and a paper. Just place the frame and take the measurement of the frame. Then इसे cut कर लेना है. So on my drawing paper, I'm going to draw the background that I want. Like I have sketched beach drawing on it. You can draw the background of your choice. Like you can draw forest or a simple party room. It could be anything. And I have decided to paint with watercolor. You can use whatever you have. There is no need to be perfect in the drawing. You can draw roughly also, and it will look nice and cute. After few details, my painting is done. Now I will outline with the black marker or pen. Do it on the whole drawing. I was really enjoying while making the painting. It's completed now. I have some leaves cut out also that I will place in the front of it. Second thing, you need to take print out of your picture or faces that you want to use. This is me and my family. मुझे बस head का part ही चाहिए था. That's why I have designed like that. And collage बना के मैंने इसे print करवा लिया है. इन सब को आपको cut कर लेना है. Next, I have drawn the body on the paper and coloring it with the watercolor. I forgot to mention that you will require a thick card paper for this, or you can even layer 2-3 papers together to make it more stiff or hard, to make it little thick, and do the outline with the black marker. I left a small circle on the top to stick the head on it. Something like this. Now keep it for a while to dry. Take the background that comes with the frame and place the drawing on it. Now place the drawing on the board that comes with the frame. To give little depth in the frame, I am placing a piece of foam sheet or sponge on it and place the cutouts. Next, I will fill the bottom part of the frame with pom-poms and grass cutouts. You can fill it with cotton or any glittery material or seashells. So this is how I am placing the grasses. Some are front, some are in the back. And I had this artificial grass with me that I will use to make branches. I am placing it with the hot glue. pom-poms and it's done. In the next DIY, I have this wooden coaster that I have already used in Diwali crafts video. That's why it's already decorated. You will need card paper and some color and marker. I am layering these card papers to make it more stiff. Just glue them together. Next, I have drawn a picture of a couple on the paper, a cartoon couple picture, and coloring this with the pencil color and marker. You can even take out the print of your choice if you don't want to draw. After coloring, I am outlining the drawing with the marker. This part is very satisfying. Here is the cute picture of the couple. You can give personal touch to it. Next, I will take some skewers. You can use toothpick also. And in the same way, I have made some balloons to place it on the skewers. So I am placing it with the hot glue. Now take the cutouts and place the skewers on the back of the paper. And apply the glue on the bottom of the skewers. Then place it on the middle of the coaster. Hold it for a few seconds. In the same way, place all the balloons around it. This is the cutest DIY I have ever made. I was so happy. You tell me in the comment how is this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.